You walk out to the generator. No storm, no warning, but something feels off. You tap the screen, nothing. Then, after a few seconds, it lights up. Fault code 1505. Most people panic. They think, control board's fried, starter's toast. This is gonna be expensive. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. It's almost never the big stuff. 9 out of 10 times, it's the battery. Not dead, just weak. Or it's corrosion on a cable that looked fine. Or it's a fuse that you didn't even know that was hiding underneath a flap. That's the part that stings because it wasn't random, it was preventable. See, most of the failures we fix, they started months earlier, quietly. Tiny losses in conductivity, cheap terminals, moisture you didn't see, and then one morning, the whole system just gives up. Not because you did something wrong, but because nobody ever showed you how to keep it right. The fix? Simple, if you know where to look.